Hi, I'm Eric with Leadership Developed. Today I want to talk about a process that helped me tremendously in my professional and organizational settings. As a retired Marine Corps officer and combat pilot, I have faced many challenging situations that require quick decision making, to include mid-flight malfunctions during combat missions. The process I want to share with you is called S.A.R.A, S-A.R.A, and it stands for shock, anger, resistance, and acceptance. S.A.R.A is a model for understanding and managing change. When we experience change, we go through a range of emotions before we can fully accept our new reality. The first stage is shock, where the change takes us aback and we feel disoriented and numb. The second stage is anger, where we feel frustrated, resentful, or even hostile towards the change. The third stage is resistance, where we actively resist and avoid the change. And finally, the fourth stage is acceptance, where we can come to terms with the change and are ready to move forward. So how does S.A.R.A apply in a professional organizational setting? Let me give you an example from my experience as a combat pilot. When we would experience mid-flight malfunctions during combat missions, the initial shock would set in as we tried to assess the situation quickly. Then anger would follow as we realized the potential danger to ourselves and to others. Resistance would come in the form of us trying to fix the problem without diverting from our mission. But ultimately, we would reach acceptance, where we would decide to go back to base and report the malfunction safely. So why is S.A.R.A important? By recognizing and managing our emotions during change, we can make better decisions and avoid unnecessary stress and conflict. It allows us to adapt to new situations more effectively and with greater resilience. And as leaders, it is crucial for us to help our teams navigate through change as we acknowledge their emotions and give them support and guidance. In conclusion, S.A.R.A is a powerful tool for managing change in a professional and organizational setting. Whether you are facing mid-flight malfunctions, company mergers, or a global pandemic, the S.A.R.A model can help you understand and manage your emotions throughout the process. So next time you face change, remember to embrace the shock, acknowledge the anger, work through the resistance, and strive for acceptance. I'm Eric with Leadership Developed. If you like this video, hey, do us a favor. Give us a thumbs up. While you're at it, hit subscribe. Help us build a community of growing leaders that they can learn from these processes as well. If you missed our last video, check it out. It's right over here. We will talk to you again soon.